Hello student, Jai Swaminarayan, Standard 2nd, Subject English. Unit 4, Rain.
The rain is raining all around. It falls on field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. The rain is raining all around. It falls on field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. The rain is raining all around. It falls on field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea.
Before start reading, we learn new word from the poem. Field, an open place where farmers grow crops. Around, everywhere. Sea, a large body of salty water. Ship, large boat. Now start reading. The rain is raining all around. बारिश हर जगह गिर रही है. It falls on field and tree. वो कहाँ पर गिर रही है? Field, खेतों में, and trees, पेड़ों पर. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. बारिश अम्ब्रेला के ऊपर और सी के अंदर जो शिप्स है बड़े बड़े उनके ऊपर भी हो